Welcome to Precision Craft Factory, where we explore the fascinating journey of modern industrial manufacturing processes with incredible detail and insight. Today, we are diving deep into the massive production line that transforms fresh, giant green watermelons into refreshing, sweet bottled juice. The process begins early in the morning as heavy trucks arrive at the facility, carrying tons of raw fruit ready for processing. Gravity helps unload these heavy fruits as they roll down metal chutes, beginning their long journey through this automated industrial marvel. Workers stand by the initial conveyor belt to quickly inspect the incoming flow, ensuring that only intact melons enter the washing line. The fruit plunges into a bubbling aeration tank where air jets create turbulence to loosen stubborn dirt and soil from the surface. Submerged in this agitated water, the heavy fruits float and rotate, allowing the cleaning agents to reach every part of their skin. As they emerge from the tank, powerful high-pressure water jets blast away any remaining debris, leaving the green rinds perfectly clean. Soft rotating brushes gently scrub the surface while applying a food-safe detergent, ensuring that the outer skin is completely sanitized. This mechanical scrubbing action removes microscopic contaminants that water alone cannot reach, preparing the fruit for the critical peeling stage ahead. A final rinse with purified water washes away all traces of soap, leaving the watermelons glistening and ready for the processing area. Advanced laser scanners measure the precise dimensions of each fruit, sorting them by size to ensure uniformity for the peeling machines. Robotic arms equipped with soft suction cups gently lift the sorted fruit, placing them onto the feeding line with incredible precision. Automated blades swiftly slice off the top and bottom of each melon, creating stable, flat surfaces for the peeling mechanism to hold. The fruit is clamped securely onto vertical spindles, spinning rapidly as sharp blades descend to shave off the thick green rind. In seconds, the hard outer skin is completely removed in a continuous strip, revealing the juicy red sphere of fruit underneath. Precision engineering ensures that the blades remove only the rind and the white pith, maximizing the yield of the sweet red flesh. The naked fruit now rolls down the inspection line, a vibrant river of red that highlights the natural beauty of fresh watermelon. Quality control staff meticulously inspect each sphere, manually trimming away any remaining bits of rind to ensure pure flavor in the juice. Next, the fruit enters the dicing station, where cross-cutting blades chop the large spheres into uniform cubes, ready for easy extraction. These juicy cubes cascade into a massive stainless steel hopper, feeding the crushing mechanism that will release their liquid content. A powerful screw press slowly crushes the fruit pulp, applying immense pressure to squeeze out every drop of sweet red liquid. The extraction process is highly efficient, separating the fiber and seeds from the juice, which flows like a waterfall into collection tanks. Network of transparent food-grade pipes transports the raw juice across the facility, keeping it sealed from the outside environment. To refine the texture, the liquid passes through a high-speed centrifuge that spins out heavier particles and remaining microseeds. Centrifugal force pushes the solid sediments to the outer walls, while the clarified juice is drawn from the center of the vortex. The result is a smoother, more consistent liquid that is pumped into massive holding tanks to await the next stage of filtration. Quality assurance technicians take samples to measure the sugar content, ensuring the sweetness meets the strict standards of the brand. These massive stainless steel silos hold thousands of liters of juice, maintained at cool temperatures to preserve freshness and prevent fermentation. The juice is then pushed through ceramic membrane filters, a cold filtration method that removes impurities without altering the natural taste. Microscopic pores in the filters catch any remaining solids, ensuring the final product has a silky smooth texture and brilliant color. In the blending tank, a precise amount of natural vitamin C is added to help preserve the vibrant red color and freshness. Large paddles slowly rotate within the tank, gently mixing the additives, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the large batch. To ensure safety, the juice undergoes flash pasteurization, passing through heated pipes for just a few seconds to eliminate harmful bacteria. This rapid heating and cooling cycle preserves the nutritional value and flavor profile while significantly extending the shelf life of the product. The sterilized juice is now transferred to a sterile buffer tank, completely isolated from the outside air to prevent any recontamination. Meanwhile, in the packaging section, Small plastic preforms are heated until they are soft and malleable, ready to be shaped. High-pressure air is injected into the hot preforms, instantly expanding them into the final bottle shape inside the metal molds. Thousands of crystal-clear bottles travel along air conveyors, suspended by their necks to prevent contamination before they reach the filler. Before filling, each bottle passes through a sterilization tunnel where UV light and ionized air remove dust and sanitize the interior. The rotary filler operates at blinding speed, with nozzles descending to fill each bottle with the exact volume of watermelon juice. Precision sensors monitor the liquid level in real time, ensuring that every customer gets exactly the amount of product stated on the label. Seconds after filling, the capping machine applies the seal, locking in the freshness and preventing oxygen from degrading the juice quality. Automated squeezer belts apply pressure to the passing bottles, checking for leaks or loose caps before they proceed down the line. The filled bottles travel through a cooling tunnel where chilled water sprays lower the product temperature rapidly to preserve its taste. Emerging from the tunnel, the bottles are cold and covered in condensation, looking incredibly refreshing and ready for the labeling station. High-velocity air knives blast the exterior of the bottles, stripping away moisture so that the labels can adhere perfectly smooth. A high-speed sleeve applicator shoots the colorful branding labels onto the bottles, which are then shrunk to fit by steam heat. Vision systems photograph every single bottle passing by, instantly rejecting any unit where the label is crooked or the printing is flawed. Laser coders etch the production date and batch number onto the bottleneck, providing traceability for every single unit produced today. The finished bottles are grouped into multi-packs, and a sheet of plastic film is wrapped around them to create a bundle. Heat tunnels shrink the plastic film tightly around the bottles, creating a secure and convenient pack ready for distribution to retailers. Heavy-duty robotic arms pick up multiple packs at once, gently placing them into cardboard cases with tireless rhythm and efficiency. The filled cases are automatically sealed with tape, and a shipping label is applied to direct the product to its destination. Conveyors transport the sealed boxes to the palletizing zone, where a massive robot arm stacks them in a precise interlocking pattern. This interlocking stacking method ensures the stability of the pallet, preventing the boxes from tipping over during storage or truck transport. Once the stack is complete, a wrapping machine spins around the pallet, securing the load with layers of stretchable plastic film. Forklift operators skillfully maneuver the heavy pallets, transporting them into the massive cold storage warehouse to await shipment to stores. The scale of the warehouse is breathtaking, housing thousands of pallets in a temperature-controlled environment to guarantee maximum product freshness. Inventory management systems track every pallet in real time, ensuring that the oldest stock is shipped first to minimize waste. Back in the central control room, engineers monitor every aspect of the production line on large screens displaying real-time data. They can adjust the speed of the conveyors, the temperature of the pasteurizer, and the pressure of the fillers with a click. This smart factory utilizes Industry 4.0 technology, where machines communicate with each other to optimize efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Sustainability is a priority, as the leftover watermelon rinds are shredded and processed to create nutrient-rich organic fertilizer. This organic compost is shipped back to the local farms to nourish the soil, completing a sustainable closed-loop production cycle. In the research and development lab, food scientists are constantly experimenting with different melon varieties to create exciting new flavor combinations. They analyze the cellular structure of the juice under microscopes to understand how different processing methods affect texture and nutrient retention. Hygiene is paramount, so automatic cleaning systems flush the pipes and tanks with sanitizing solutions whenever a production run is finished. This clean-in-place process circulates hot water and cleaning agents through every pipe, ensuring the system is sterile for the next batch. As the day progresses, the loading docks become a hive of activity with refrigerated trucks backing up to receive their orders. The cold chain is strictly maintained as pallets are loaded directly from the cool warehouse into the refrigerated trailers of the trucks. Drivers verify the shipping manifests before sealing the trucks, guaranteeing that the product remains secure until it reaches the distribution centers. The fleet of trucks departs the facility, carrying the refreshing taste of watermelon to supermarkets and convenience stores across the country. At the retail level, store employees carefully arrange the bottles in refrigerated display cases, making them available for thirsty customers. Shoppers can trust the quality of the product, knowing that it has passed through rigorous safety checks and advanced processing standards. Pouring the juice over ice reveals its vibrant color and natural consistency, a result of the careful extraction and filtration methods. The aroma of fresh watermelon is unmistakable, captured perfectly in the bottle thanks to the cold processing techniques we witness today. From the muddy fields to the high-tech factory floor, we have seen how technology enhances nature to create a delicious beverage. The synchronization of these machines is a testament to human engineering, turning a chaotic pile of fruit into organized, packaged perfection. The factory never truly sleeps, operating around the clock to meet the high demand for healthy and natural fruit juice products. Shift changes are seamless, with teams passing on critical information to ensure that quality standards remain consistent throughout the night. Responsible manufacturing also means treating wastewater, and this facility uses advanced biological filters to clean water before returning it to nature. Solar panels cover the expansive roof of the factory, harvesting renewable energy to power the conveyor belts and heavy processing machinery. Sound dampening materials line the walls to protect workers from the noise, creating a safer and more comfortable working environment for everyone. In a single day, this facility can process hundreds of tons of watermelon, producing enough bottles to fill an entire swimming pool. The transformation is striking, converting a bulky and thick-skinned fruit into a convenient, portable, and shelf-stable drink for modern life. Reading the label reveals the simple truth of this process, containing nothing but pure fruit juice with no artificial preservatives added. The success of this factory supports local agriculture, providing a steady income for the farmers who dedicate their lives to growing fruit. Direct partnerships between the manufacturer and the growers ensure fair prices and guarantee that the factory always has the freshest supply. Special edition packaging is also handled here, creating beautiful gift boxes that showcase the premium quality of the watermelon juice brand. Automated applicators place gold foil seals on these premium boxes, adding a touch of luxury to the final presentation of the product. Beyond the local market, these bottles are loaded into shipping containers destined for international ports, sharing this flavor with the world. Global logistics networks track these shipments as they cross oceans, ensuring that the juice arrives fresh in Europe, Asia, and America. The factory management takes great pride in their operation, constantly investing in new technologies to improve efficiency and product quality standards. Training programs for young engineers are essential, passing on the knowledge required to maintain these complex systems for the next generation. Modern human-machine interfaces make it easier for operators to control the entire line, simplifying complex tasks into intuitive touch commands. Predictive maintenance sensors monitor vibrations and heat in the motors, alerting the maintenance team to potential issues before they cause downtime.
Let's move on to the next chain.
Regular maintenance schedules are strictly followed, with teams inspecting chains and gears to keep the mechanical heart of the factory beating. The continuous flow of red juice is mesmerizing, a symbol of the seamless integration between agricultural bounty and industrial processing power. When light passes through the bottle, it illuminates the ruby red liquid, showcasing the purity achieved through filtration and careful handling. Ultimately, this complex process serves a simple purpose: to bring joy and nutrition to families gathering around the dinner table. Rich in electrolytes and vitamins, this juice is also a perfect recovery drink for athletes looking for natural hydration after exercise. The plastic bottles are fully recyclable, and the company encourages consumers to dispose of them responsibly to support the circular economy. These used bottles can be processed back into raw plastic pellets, eventually becoming new bottles and reducing the need for virgin plastic. We have traveled the entire path from the sun-drenched fields to the high-tech filling line, witnessing a miracle of manufacturing. Precision Craft Factory is dedicated to showing you the hidden world of industry, revealing the incredible effort behind everyday products. As the sun sets over the facility, the production continues, driven by a commitment to quality, efficiency, and technological innovation. The logistics team works late into the night, ensuring that the supply chain remains unbroken and shelves are always stocked. So the next time you open a bottle of watermelon juice, remember the incredible journey it took to reach your hands. It is a journey of precision, hygiene, and speed, all working together to capture the essence of summer in a bottle. From the washing tanks to the labeling machines, every step is a vital link in the chain of modern industrial food production. We hope you enjoyed this detailed tour of the watermelon juice factory and gained a new appreciation for this industrial process. Thank you for watching this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to Precision Craft Factory for more amazing industrial insights. See you.